Hey everybody, welcome back to another Picsart tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you the ways to erase in your Picsart. So in order to erase in Picsart, you just follow the simple steps. First thing first, open up your Picsart account and make sure that you're logged in. Now tap the plus icon and then go to your photos section. And on this page, go ahead and upload the particular image where you actually want to go ahead and erase. Let me go with this particular one. So when I've actually opened up the image, it's gonna show something like this. I'm gonna go with this one. So if I want to go ahead and erase it, I'm gonna go with the effects tool at the bottom, and you can just go ahead and apply the effects. Let's see, this is the one. And if you want to use the eraser tool at the bottom, you can find this, like the black and white thing. Just press this and then you could see that this is how you could go ahead and use the eraser. So now wherever you want to like erase the thing, you could just go ahead and apply the eraser just by moving your hands towards it, just like this. You can see that the items or the things are being erased. So likewise, if you want to go ahead and apply the sticker, and if you want to remove it, so use the eraser tool by tapping on this icon located in the top right, and that's how you could go ahead and use eraser in Picsart. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.